Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And today we'll be continuing the 5 Things series that I've had a couple of videos on. You can check out one of the videos up there. And today we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should join a club, particularly as a new ham. And these are in no particular order. Reason number 1. You'll meet other hams. You'll meet like-minded people that have the same hobby as you got, that have somewhat of the same interests as you have, and you'll make new friends. Number 2, as a new ham, you don't have all the equipment you need. And by joining a club, you'll usually get access to a club shack, which usually have better antennas and better radios than you have at home. They'll give you an advantage in learning how the hobby works. Number 3, you'll learn new things, both by meeting the new hams, by operating in the club shack, and by classes and lessons taught at the ham club. You learn about radios, you learn about modes, you learn about operating portable, you learn about ferrites, about chokes, about antennas, about anything you probably can think of within the hobby. Reason number 4. When you do learn about those new things in the hobby, in the ham club, the other hams usually have equipment, so you can either tag along while they're doing their activity, or you can probably borrow their equipment for a short while to see if these aspects of the hobby are things that you'd really like to do. Because, as I've discussed before, this can be an expensive hobby, and by borrowing equipment from other hams, you can keep the cost down by figuring out if you want to invest money in this project or not. So joining a club might be financially beneficial to you compared to not being a member of a club and having to buy all the expensive equipment to figure out that this is something that you really didn't want to do in the first place. And that brings us on to number 5. After you've been a member for a while, you'll start picking up on new things, and you might even pick up on things that the other members of the club don't know. So after a while, you can be the ham that teaches stuff to other hams and elmer them along. So those are my 5 top reasons for joining a club, especially as a new ham. If you liked this video or any of my other videos, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.